Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can very quickly and easily crop any photo from your gallery on iPhone iOS 18. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put likes under this video and write comments after watching. Let us get down to the topic with you. First, you will need to open your gallery or photo. After that, find the photo you need for cropping. Open it up. Next, you will need to click on this button at the bottom, where there are 3 bars. This way you will go to edit the photo. Now at the bottom, also select this button with the crop button. Now you have a few options on how you can crop this photo. First option, you can do it manually. For this, you will need to pull the black borders either at the bottom or on the corners of the photo. To crop the photo to the size you want. But as you can see, this way, you're not just cropping the photo from the bottom, but this way you're cropping the entire photo from the sides and bottom. Or you can choose some format that you want. To do this, click on this button at the top, where the square is. And now you'll have a list with different names at the bottom, and you can choose to crop the photo by format here. And this is how you can go through these titles. And as you can see, this is how you will change the size of the photo to the size you want. There are a lot of these sizes here. And after you choose the size that suits you best, click on the word Done at the top. And as you can see, the photo will be instantly cropped to the size you want. This is the way, very simple way, you can, friends, easily crop any photos on your iPhone on iOS 18. Hope you found this video helpful and useful, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes under the video and write your comments, friends. Take care.